Hey, what's up everyone? Been working on the Monte Carlo today, and I'm trying to get this together. This is the dash. Been assembling it and got it all painted last night. Then I had to do all the silver outlines today, and got the wiring harness and this big mess assembled as far as I can. So today, or tonight, I'm ready to put this thing in here. So, I got the AC controls all hooked up, but zip tied up there, and there's just a mounting bolt right here. The dash sits on these pads, and then there's a bolt right here in the center. I'm excited. It's been 4 years. I've never seen a dash in this thing. So after many days of trying to make everything look good, we're almost there. So let's get you set up, and I'm going to try and put this thing in here. It's right at the bottom right. Alright, look at the pads. Okay. Can you see yours?
Yep.
Oh no. Okay, hold that. Hold it. You got things mounted up here. Forward. There we go.
Okay. It's in there.
Be in.
Yep.
Tilt it forward a little bit towards the front of the car.
There you go.
Shit, okay.
You got it? My bolt's in.
Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah, I gotta get this speedometer game. It's on.
This one needs to be tightened.
Where's that wrench at?
Which is right here.
You got it tight?
Yep.
Still got one more bolt up right here. I gotta take more out of the grill though. It's in there.
Yeah, you'll have to lift this up ever so
Yeah,
slightly
no,
to
it's
get her
fine.
in there.
I'll go get her right now. Cool. I didn't drop it, honey.
Yay! She looks good.
Okay, got the dash all mostly wired up, and I got the steering column in, and don't mind this wire right here. That's just me grounding the seatbelt circuit, which would go down here to the retractor. But I got it looking pretty good. So you can see the clock ticking away there. Got that working. Those never work in these. On. I got the seatbelt. Well, I just unplugged. Either way, I got that annoying buzzer working. It says fasten seatbelts, and the way I did that, I have a little. This is a time delay relay from a Dodge pickup, and I just bent the bimetallic spring so it turns off after about 5 seconds. And because on this, the way it's set up, as soon as you put it in gear, when you put it in drive, it automatically starts buzzing until you buckle your seatbelt. So it's pretty annoying. So I just wanted to hear it because it's cool, it works. But I didn't cut any of the original wires, it's just looped around. So if someone wanted to put it back and plug it back into the neutral safety switch, they can. So let's see what else we got here. We got left turn signal, right turn signal. Let's see if the brake warning light works. It does. Cool. Find the release for it. Let's see if we got some tunes.
Same boat, and we gotta make sure we get this set.
Cool. So this radio is a 70s Mitsubishi radio that I modified and made fit in here because I didn't want to cut the dash. So it's not very clear, but it works. So I'm happy. I made this little cover for it. This is an aluminum bezel. So, but until I can save the money to put a nice stereo in, that'll work just fine. So we got, let's see, we got gauge lights. Yep, I think they're working. But here, let's see if the high beam indicator works. Oh, it does. It's really hard to see, but it does. So that works. But yeah, these gauges I added in, I got all the lights work. Here. So all in all, I think it looks pretty good. Oh yeah, and I got this to work. Low, medium, high, and full blast. It works good, and I still got to put all the duct work on there. But let's see if it let's see if this door opens when I start it. the garage door open. Oh, I don't want to suffocate in here. Alright. But I got the rear speakers in, and this is going to be covered by a package tray. So I didn't want to cut them up. This thing had a, I've already welded these in. It had 12-inch subs back here. So I welded all this in and did a really crappy job because this is going to get covered. But the bottom side looks good from in the trunk. Okay. Alright. See, I've painted in the trunk. It's a little dirty. But under here, I tried to paint in case someone else looked, because it was a little rough under there when I got this from this deck filler being rusted out. And I had to replace most of this weather stripping channel, but I think it looks good. I'm happy. And I just got a speaker rigged up right here. And I got an antenna so the radio will work, because the antenna's in the windshield and I don't have a windshield in here. But I need to mount these better, but I just test fitting everything, making sure everything works. I gotta get a new hinge for the glove box. So that's about it. Stay tuned if you want to see more stuff like this. I'm gonna try and finish this car soon. It's a lot of work and it's been many years to get to this point. So like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next video.